Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you forgot your password or want to secure your account, resetting your password in Perplexity AI is quick and easy. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to reset your password in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing, go to login page. So open perplexity.ai, click login. Okay, so it starts here. Okay, so you shouldn't be inside your accounts in the first place. Okay, so click forgot password. Okay, as you know, so let's sign out from the account. Okay, so you tap forgot password. Okay, you will be redirected. So reset process started. Enter your email, so type your registered email, make sure it's correct. So it depends if you are signed or logged in with Gmail or Facebook or just a real Perplexity account. Okay, so make sure it's correct, click submit. Okay, check your email after that. So open your inbox in the Gmail, for example, look for password reset email, check spam if needed. So click receipt link, open the email, click receipt password link, and you will be redirected. Okay, so now create a new password, enter new password, confirm it, use strong password. Okay, new credentials, save changes, click confirm or save, and password will be updated. Okay, so log in with the new password, go back to login page, enter email plus new password, and access your account. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.